You know, there are certain things in life I never thought we'd ever see. And I'll be honest with you, a foldable iPhone was on that docket. It was always like, okay, we're getting a foldable iPhone, and we all roll our eyes like, sure we are. Yeah, of course. And, you know, it was never going to happen. Well, apparently it's happening. Which, okay. Listen, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I'm really cool with the idea of Apple joining the market. It's not going to be foldable. It's going to be a flippable. Let's be honest. I know it says Apple's new foldable smartphone enters formal development stage, but I think it's going to be a flippable smartphone. It's not going to be a foldable one. I couldn't see Apple joining that market because, first off, they would charge $6,000 for their freaking foldable cell phone, and no one would buy it. At least with a flippable cell phone, they're going to charge you $2,000 for it. That's not even a question. $2,000. What's going to happen? Let me tell you this, okay? If they come out with a flippable cell phone, excuse me, it's going to be most likely $2,000. It's going to have upgrade options, most likely in it. The upgrades from, like, I don't know, 6 gigabytes of RAM all the way up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. And there's going to be different models that you can buy the phone. I could just see it now. This is Apple. They do it with every product they own. Look at the laptops with the iMacs. They have the M2, M2 Pro, M2 Pro Max. Now it's the M4, but same concept. They love doing that. 256 gigabyte, 512, 1 terabyte. I don't think this is going to be your typical iPhone stuff. This is going to be like a laptop and a phone combined. And they're going to probably give us the same concept that goes down with it. So, I'm excited for this. I am. Because I think that this could, you know, push the industry forward in some capacity. You know, when Apple gets involved in anything, you know, they usually go crazy with it. They also usually push the industry forward when it comes to standards. So, you know, we're not going to see as much crap anymore in the industry. Although, we already know a lot of budget foldable manufacturers are going out of business anyway. But yeah, no, I'm excited about that. I'm really excited about this. Could be a really good thing. Hopefully, Apple doesn't Apple this where it's like the Apple Vision Pro. Even though it's a flippable phone, they make it $7,000 or something. I'm exaggerating completely, by the way. Exaggeration for a flippable phone price would be something like $2,500. Even $2,000 is ridiculously crazy, but I wouldn't be surprised. It's Apple, okay? Now, this is a foldable phone. In the end, a foldable phone from Apple is probably going to cost the same amount as the Apple Vision Pro, which they just recently discontinued. That's beautiful, isn't that? No more Apple Vision Pro. You spent $3,600, you lost. This is why, again, I just don't see them coming out with a foldable phone. It would have to be a flippable phone. Yeah. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.